Discover the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro 4-axis CNC Router Machine, a professional-grade CNC system engineered for precision engraving, cutting, woodworking, laser applications, and advanced DIY manufacturing. Designed for makers, engineers, woodworkers, designers, educational institutions, and small businesses, the TTC450 Pro combines powerful performance, intelligent GRBL control, and versatile 4-axis machining capabilities to handle a wide variety of creative and industrial projects. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the TwoTrees TTC450 Pro and explore its advanced features, including a high-precision 4-axis motion system, GRBL control, laser engraving compatibility, woodworking capabilities, rigid frame construction, and user-friendly operation for professional and hobby applications alike. Whether you're producing custom furniture components, personalized gifts, wooden signs, prototypes, decorative artwork, mechanical parts, jewelry boxes, engraved logos, or educational projects, the TTC450 Pro delivers exceptional accuracy, smooth motion, and reliable performance. The advanced 4-axis CNC architecture expands machining possibilities by allowing more complex movements and improved flexibility compared to traditional 3-axis CNC machines. Key features: professional 4-axis CNC router machine, high-precision CNC machining, GRBL intelligent control system, laser engraving compatibility, wood engraving and cutting, acrylic engraving, plastic machining, soft metal engraving, compatible applications, precision woodworking, DIY manufacturing projects, stable heavy-duty frame construction, smooth linear motion system, high accuracy positioning, excellent cutting and engraving quality, compatible with popular CNC software, user-friendly operation, CE certified, available with EU and US plug options, suitable for workshops, schools, makerspaces, and businesses. Designed for professional and creative applications. The integrated GRBL control system provides precise motion control and excellent machining accuracy while remaining compatible with many popular CNC software platforms. Users benefit from smooth toolpaths, reliable positioning, and an intuitive workflow suitable for both beginners and experienced CNC operators. Its rigid mechanical structure minimizes vibration during operation, ensuring cleaner cuts, sharper engraving details, and consistent performance even during long machining sessions. The TTC450 Pro supports a wide variety of materials, making it a highly versatile machine for different industries and creative projects, including wood, MDF, plywood, bamboo, acrylic, PVC, plastics, leather, composite materials, soft metals for light engraving, foam boards, carbon fiber sheets, compatible applications. With support for laser engraving modules, users can easily expand the machine's capabilities to produce detailed artwork, personalized products, company logos, custom signage, decorative panels, and creative crafts with impressive precision. The compact footprint makes the TTC450 Pro suitable for home workshops, professional studios, educational laboratories, fabrication spaces, and small manufacturing businesses. While its durable construction ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance.